Eyelash growth serums have taken the beauty world by storm, promising longer, fuller, and darker lashes with minimal effort. However, beneath their glossy advertisements and glowing reviews lies a darker truth. Many of these products come with risks and side effects that consumers need to be aware of. Thankfully, there's a natural alternative, Jamaican black castor oil. Let's explore the potential dangers of eyelash growth serums and highlight the benefits of using Jamaican black castor oil instead. The risks of eyelash growth serums. While eyelash growth serums can deliver noticeable results, their ingredients often include chemicals that may pose health risks. Here are some of the most common concerns. 1. Irritation and allergic reactions. Many serums contain prostaglandin analogs, a chemical compound that stimulates lash growth. However, these can cause redness, itching, swelling, and discomfort around the eyes. For individuals with sensitive skin, these reactions can be particularly severe. 2. Eye color changes. Certain prostaglandin-based serums have been linked to permanent changes in eye color. This side effect is especially concerning for individuals with lighter colored eyes, as the pigment may darken irreversibly over time. 3. Skin discoloration. Prostaglandin analogs can also cause hyperpigmentation, resulting in darkened skin along the lash line. While this discoloration may fade if the serum is discontinued, it can take weeks or months to resolve. 4. Eyelash dependency. Regular use of growth serums can create a dependency. When the product is stopped, lashes may return to their original state or even appear thinner and shorter than before. 5. Infection risk. Improper application or contamination of the serum's applicator can increase the risk of bacterial or fungal infections. This is especially dangerous when dealing with the sensitive eye area. Now, let's talk about Jamaican black castor oil as a safe, natural alternative. For those seeking fuller, healthier lashes without risks, the Jamaican black castor oil is an excellent alternative. Derived from roasted castor beans, this oil has been celebrated for its natural healing and moisturizing properties. Here is why it's a safer choice. 1. Rich in nutrients. Jamaican black castor oil is packed with vitamins, fatty acids, and proteins that nourish hair follicles. These nutrients strengthen lashes and promote healthy growth over time. 2. Gentle on sensitive skin. Unlike chemical-based serums, castor oil is gentle and less likely to cause irritation or allergic reactions. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. 3. Promotes lash health. Rather than just stimulating growth, Jamaican black castor oil conditions and strengthens lashes, reducing breakage and shedding. This leads to a naturally fuller appearance. 4. Easy to use. Applying Jamaican black castor oil is simple. Using a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab, apply a small amount to the lash line before bed. Ensure the applicator is clean to avoid contamination. 5. Affordable and accessible. Jamaican black castor oil is cost-effective and widely available at health stores and online retailers. A little goes a long way, making it a budget-friendly option. While eyelash growth serums may seem like a quick fix, their potential risks often outweigh the benefits. For a safer, more natural approach, Jamaican black castor oil offers a holistic solution. By nourishing and strengthening your lashes, it promotes healthy, lasting results without the harmful side effects.